My name is Pam Jacobs. I happen to be the facilitator for the Virtual Education Research Alliance. You're going to be hearing from our members and our researchers today. And we're very excited for you to meet the people who will be participating today. Would you go to the next slide, please? You've already heard from me. Next slide. Here's our two researchers. Next slide. And 4 of our Virtual Education Research Alliance members. We want to let you know we also have members from Illinois, Indiana, and Michigan, but you're going to hear from these 3 programs today: Wisconsin Virtual School, Kirkwood Community College, and Iowa Learning Online. Now we want to ask you a question. First of all, if you would put your name and your organization in chat. And next, we have a poll question for you to answer as well. So we want to know what your role is in online education. So would you fill in the little dot there? Let's just see who we have participating with us today. Give you a couple more seconds. How are we doing with getting that poll completed? Let's see what we have for results. Oh, interesting. A lot of you have a role with professional development provider for online teachers. That's great. And I see we have some online teachers, fabulous as well, followed closely by online learning program administrators. This should be right up your alley. And the other is makes me curious. What other roles that people happen to have. So if you're an other and you want to put something in the chat, tell us what you are. That would be very helpful to us. You'll notice you're not seeing in the chat everybody else, but that chat box is where we will hear questions from you, learn a bit more about you. We can close the poll now, and let's go back to our slides. So again, just the instructions on that slide. So here's what we're going to be talking about today. Again, we're talking about online teachers, the training and challenges, and we're going to actually talk about a survey instrument that was administered, one that is available to you, and our researchers will be telling you about that today. So we're going to start everything by talking about the research that was conducted, and then we're going to hear from the 3 programs. And finally, we want to hear your questions, so be sure to put those in the chat box as we move along. Go to the next slide, please. I think most of you are familiar with the RELs. We are REL Midwest, so we're the dark blue right in the center of the country. Our states include Minnesota, Iowa, Wisconsin, Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, and Ohio. And the RELs serve, obviously, a different part of the country, but we all have the goal of improving academic outcomes for students by helping our states, our school districts, and our school systems use data and promote evidence-based decision-making. Next slide, please. And we are one of the research alliances in REL Midwest, and like the other RELs, we all focus on the needs of things in our region. Our goal for the Virtual Education Research Alliance is to help our members collect and use data that helps their high school virtual learning programs have improved student outcomes. So let's hear a bit about the research that we're going to focus on today with Online Teacher PD.